Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Hydrofoam here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to download one block Skyblock for Minecraft Pocket Edition. And firstly, what you'll need to do is go ahead and open up the Play Store. And now once you guys are here, what you need to do is go ahead and search for File Manager and download File Manager by Xiaomi Incorporated. And then what you need to do is go ahead and open it up and then accept all of the permissions that are given, so do not do anything else. And then what you need to do is head into this files or app over here, this folders icon over here. Just click on it, and then what you need to do is select internal share storage or your SD card. Now if you have an SD card in which you store all of your games that you currently have on your device, then go ahead and select that. For me it's internal shared storage, and then you'll see games. Alright, so just go ahead and locate and navigate to the games folder, and then you'll see it over here. And now what you need to do is basically go ahead into your favorite web browser and search for whichever Skyblock map that you want to download. Now it can be from any website, but for this video I'm going to be using a specific Skyblock map, for which the download link will be in the description down below, just in case you want to check it out. And so this is the map that I want to download. Now remember, you can download any map, any Skyblock map from whichever website that you would like. It doesn't really matter, but this maps link will be in the description down below, so you can check it out like I said. And basically just go ahead and click on download. It doesn't really matter, just close any ads that come up. As you guys can see, so I already downloaded it once before, but I'm going to do it again. And now once it finishes downloading, what you need to do now, this is really important, go ahead and click on open. All right, and now once you're here, what you need to do is click on these three dots over here, click on share, and then what you need to do is go ahead and click on file manager. And now in file manager, as I said before, locate your games folder. If it's in internal share storage, go ahead and select that. If you store all your games in your SD card, go ahead and select that. For me it's internal storage, and then navigate to the games folder. And then what you need to do is go ahead and paste it over here. So for me, I already have one, so I'm just going to go ahead and delete this. And then what you need to do once you're here is just go ahead and click on it. All right, go ahead and click on it, select type, just click on documents, it doesn't matter. And then it's going to directly ask you to open with Minecraft, just once or always. For this video I'm just going to click on just once. Alright, so Minecraft loaded up, and as you guys can see, so level import finished successfully. And now if I go to play beta, and yeah, so as you guys can see, so this is the Skyblock map which is over here. And remember, it can be in the beta as well, so it doesn't really matter if you're in the beta or in the normal version of the game. You can still go ahead and download any map that you would like. So remember, this does not just work for Skyblock, but it also works for any other map that you would like in Minecraft Pocket Edition. And this is complete proof that it works. So if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and in the meantime go ahead and check out some of my other videos that are on your screen right now, and I'll catch you guys over there now. See ya.